Hey guys, this is Skylar coming at you from our Wellness Cafe here in our West Fargo showroom. We're here today to talk about SilkBalance. SilkBalance is a product, think of it as a chlorine optimizer. There's a couple of steps to help keep that water clean and clear. We'll go through it, real simple process. Now when you first get the tub, they're going to fill it with water. We'll run a test, make sure everything's looking alright, give you a call, walk you through all that. After that, we start adding products. Now we're going to want to get a little chlorine in there. Keep that residual between 1 and 3 parts per million. You'll get this nice handy sheet. What this sheet does is just give you some real general guidelines on how to take care of the spa. Big thing with SilkBalance, you're going to add this. This is the liquid actual SilkBalance chemical. Almost looks like a laundry detergent. There's a 3 and a 4 ounce. Depending on which size your tub is, you'll use one of these. Like I said, just add it on a weekly basis. Now each time we use the spa, we've got our shock gems. They look just like a Tide pod or a dishwashing pod. You're just going to throw in one of these little guys. And they're in a sucrose packaging, so you just throw it in, it dissolves. One for 1 to 2 people. 2 of these little guys for 3 or more people. And that's after each use. That's going to help oxidize everything, keep it nice and clean and clear for you. And then finally, you have the clean start. This is just for when you're going to drain and refill the hot tub. So when you're going to do that drain and refill, or if you're switching over from another chemical brand or line, you'll have to do a drain and refill to get ready to run the SilkBalance. Dump it in, run your jets on high for about 30 minutes, pull that filter out, drain it, wipe everything down, refill it, you're ready to go. So just a quick wrap up with SilkBalance, guys. Keep that chlorine between 1 and 3 parts per million. 3 to 4 ounces of the SilkBalance per week. Super simple. It's going to help lock in that alkalinity and pH over time, so you're not chasing your tail trying to get those balancing chemicals right where they need to be. Clean start's only going to be for drain and refills. You run this before you do the drain and refill, and then finally you got your shock gems you're going to add after each use. Again, 1 pod for 1 to 2 people, 2 pods for 3 or more. That's everything you need to know about SilkBalance, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to stop in, give us a call at our showroom.